Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be putting you through how you can use themes in Excel, and this will enable you to be able to apply consistent look and feel to your Excel sheet. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I will first of all insert a table to this sheet. So I'll go to my insert and I insert a table. And this is what I have. And with this now, I can go to my page layout. Here, my page layout, I have options to choose from. I can start from this theme. I have several themes I can choose from. So if I hover over this, you can see it's changing, giving us different themes. And these themes also include colors and fonts. So you can see both the colors and the fonts are changing. So to customize this further, we can decide to go to our colors here and then choose from any of these. Okay, so as you are choosing, you can see there are changes in what we are having. We can also customize if we don't have the colors we need here. If you click on customize here, you change to any kind of colors you want. You can change to this, just change it randomly. Then after this, I give it a name. May call it new theme. So this is what I have. I come under my colors, I have new theme. So I can choose to edit it or delete it or even add it to my quick access toolbar. So for now, I will just delete it. Another method I want to show you is from our computer. So we can choose from our computer the theme we want. For now, let's use this very theme. So I will save this theme. To save this theme, you just come down here, you have save current theme, and then it will give you option. I will save it here under documents. So I will call it theme 1. So after I've saved this, I can still come back to my page layout and then change to a new theme. Okay. Now let's try and see if the theme we saved can still reflect back. So I come to browse for themes. And then this was the theme we saved, theme 1. Then we enter it. You see it has reflected based on the earlier theme we had. So we can also come back to this page layout again and change our font. So we have option of changing font. See, this is Calibri, this is Arial, this is Cobel. And we can also change our effect. Can change different effects. The only thing about these effects now is that we are unable to create new ones by ourselves. So we have to make do with the predefined ones that they have here. So this will be all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you were able to learn something from the video. And if you were, kindly like the video and click on your subscribe button, as I will be sharing more tips on various tricks and that I use in my analysis. Thank you and do have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.